Kiama Kirogam.
JKA iko wima,
iko imara,
imesimama kidete.
JKA imesija
Na tumesija.
leure.
Hegi thomo twathomaga especially in Kiswahili language. You know, the stories that would end in a near tragedy, you know, there were happy endings
And tragic endings.
tragic endings. And some tragic endings were nazo raha na anasa za mjini zikamfanya maskini
na anasa. Kiundu kia muthi gitagwo kupiga sherehe.
Yes. Tena isietagwo raha
Na anasa.
Hau gatagati karaha na anasa niho hakorwo na mababy.
Dogo.
Aya no wachoka hindi ya pambana.
Oh, ndi akiama kia wa mutarukire.
Dogo wachoka hindi ya the three bearded sisters.
Haya ready.
Ai.
Ona ready ndio na kuria before.
Kuraiu. Ready were urere. Rwimbo rwa Albert Gacero wa maitoro kiririzwo. Rwa ndaguteire.
They are haters.
Yes. And there is a period, especially the parents of us, millennials. You see now, the parents of either there are things we learn from the mistakes of our parents. So target especially the men. Yes. How we have a lot of bitterness with that raha and anasa because sometimes it would be detrimental.
No, and would have serious effects on our lives.
Yes. No, even the growth and the potential opportunities would be cut short because of raha na anasa ya mtu mmoja kwa
familia. And he was a breadwinner.
Yes. And you see, these are the 90s. It still happens today. No, I don't think it's cautious, honey. Tenali, the Koina Kadoka work with a career all out. What knows Yori? Niaragora. And I do not know what would make those men whether Kuraginyado toy.
Nekwendia guoya na ritwa.
Yes. And you know, what does you know affect our family muno especially? Though agiari the culprit of raha na anasa za jijini.
Na dunia.
Simo the near few ginyacoke rugongo. Na itura ni riui. Yes.
No uhoro ni wahunjaga.
Yes. Koguo ni muoro taguo.
Wona gwa Simon. Simon no na acokire gicagi.
No ni Simon. Oku oigirire ikoni aria ndafo kiande. Ndekuagira ngathiti.
Ngari nyawira nyakandu mari aigagirwo gite kwa memba.
Kwa memba na gutiaikare mundu. Niwe ucio rona hau.
No ucio rona riu akunjite mubuto atari iratu. Na theci.
Ginya ciana ni cia example na thoguo. Muthomi mutikatukite muthuriku.
Ni mwana muthuri uria.
Ndathomire ecoka kiria bia. Muno rimu wakwa.
No, then you see, in the village, people would not filter.
They wouldn't.
No, gutiare filter.
And your father would turn into a violent person todo riri. Thikira bure. No aririkanio. Gregorio. Retu ameja kiraoni ni kiago ile. Aliwe za ameja.
Kana mea.
Jua botera wesa gomo gathe mea. Mustahiki. Bibia igoma. Ai. Ora tura kera ni dio marisera.
Moe nginya rendi ile ya muninire.
Ni moe. Na nginya mena mukwa. Process ya another victim. Ala kafroto ya taraire yo kule maraoyanire.
Agerio karia wagereire.
Na no era guo tu ati ori orathi na rendi.
Hello, the rural drunkards would get into his nerves.
No, especially if he was proud to them during his heydays. Wenderio kie munene gikombe.
Mea.
Kama kigutia supermasi. Kugusia supermasi.
Kandelea. Iria hana gocuri etagwo atia.
Kifuku.
Yari apoda buyo.
Nyati. Ni wanywa sakura kinywaji. Yata chakula kinywaji.
Na ndiria rimea anywaga premium brand.
Ni kiurauga. Akenywa Popov. Popov. Na Count Pushkin.
Na indukite gicagi ndanyua na ngirathi cia kirabu gia kuu.
Hapana.
Atumana ngirathi mucie gwake.
Oka na Siminov. Inywe mugorore kiria kia vira broccoli. Tana lo utia mezinga mei.
Acha.
Yes. Okete na Simino fure. Nikiurauga be. Kana bi haifu. Mondo ne wavenire.
No, people had no filters.
Yes. No, kene lo kinyalo webo vatu mana nyambura na muiretu akinyi.
Terai modo adigithie.
Zamanero. Na rumere mu kumuthome noyo.
Au no aigua ni kuraumirire kara.
Yes.
Thoguo he mundu aratukanirie na tiri.
Na thoguo arakara muno tondu ni aranyitirwo ni andu. He was restrained.
Arenda kumukurumania.
And you know, even the women in the village would take up that narrative.
Actually, na atumia nio matwarithagia narrative uyo muno.
You see, it would work their way. Yes. Ona makinenda murume ni amura urenda kwana kanyingi.
Nona Simon ndiru ni atia guku.
Athie kwana na mera na Nairobi. Na ndeurie mere we a guciarira andu niki.
Mundu ari buceri yake Nairobi.
Mundu ari buceri yake Nairobi. Nyama yoka ibi kafuini yake kuma ndunyu. Kagureti. Akininwo fu.
Urenda riu ciana ciaku ihunyuke uguo?
Urenda ku turaragire toria kurararirwo ku. Mundu akombagira nginya makanjura Nairobi. Jireo thiete ri. Uguthio ta kanyingi we. No, they would use you as an example. And it would affect the esteem of his family.
Muno.
Badly. Examples of the cia failures in society.
Nina cia thomithagio nake.
Yes.
Mutikahane ng'ania.
Acio na hujia maga material ma salmon. Ni arume maumagara kundu guku mathi gwetha warie ni mugwika uguo tongoragia ine mwathani tondu ni tuiguite na tukeyonera. So you would stop even going to church because they are making you their...
No, they are targeting you.
They are using you as bait for salvation.
What an example.
And you know the village would know. They would clearly tell this man had his last bullet. Come back here, get no gas. They would tell his proverbial 9 lives are out. Ibu tulis yo dari bia. Duit tiri aiki.
wauga atia
riri gwitigira hiki no metigire ringi no gethaga mathaa maigana ona magwitigira hiki o muthenya
gwake kindu gitigarite kionekaga no kihingo kiu ekirire gia cuma
kihingo tu na kiranga kia rori yake kiranga tu safety muthuri ucio ndari indo oi ni ndogodoi matura Afro Unity na Irothi
ina ndigua ni aruguru
auga cuba cia guku cie methina yatiriri mundu atweto kinya mathiko mama wa muiki ucio nyaroguka na kama komborera ngari
na gutwika mauma ruguru ru hau noho maundu make mothire mokire mathiete
tata yake athikanirio na mundu uriku itikio riro ni are yariria ne matarania oh, it was unfortunate and you know some millennials have never forgiven their fathers for that
even today
they are still bitter they say they would have been lawyers
yes
now they are struggling
or big shots and they were bright
exactly
magithoma
yes but they say raha na anasa siri
tumia ni matindika narrative iyo
tumia ahujia na the village people who thought you were proud during your days kora idhania reu aya
ni wo kuga idhania na njara
aya
nduratua era ngatheti
atiri no tugeithia na mukuanju Felipe.
No, they would troll the man.
Atire ni okuona ke inu katondu kira to cia manana.
No kuhingwo gwe.
Kero makiathi. Ndiragwera ithe ndono na ndaratongwo ne ngite iria ciake.
Cikiwire undokaga na nyama.
Ciake igwara nungo hatha. Naso raha za nasa za mjini. Everyone knows a person like that.
If not your family,
yes,
in your village.
Yes. And I don't know how the universe conspires with the heavens. I don't know make maisha maraihu muno. Makwirira.
Tikongeithia andu na njara.
Atiri haya mau ne moko manyitaga thuri ngui. Heya ire tiaraga ngai.
We.
Ni waru manyama muhiki akuhura maguta na gatamba ya muniuru. Ya biwairia. Because it's old school Thursday. You see, when you go to a police station, spares ya leo gethiko report ka undu. Na maita maige muno ndathia ku report ka undu positive. Well, there are some snitches and some simps. Mathia gani nimekuja kuambia vile mnafanya kazi mzuri.
Those are exceptional cases.
Never mind. Watu walivozite hori. Rikara gota maritu. For one reason or the
other.
Yes. Nuki ni fuku nikoro hari yogureta watia.
Occurrence book.
The OB.
Neo tuitaga OB.
Yes. And I think most stations are either in the process or they already digitized.
Nindaiguite kwina mutaratara wa ku digitize the occurrence book.
Yes. Itore mwe no andikagirwo ka undu. Muthenya ungi ukaga tiriho.
Gaka page wekagwo.
Yes. So when they digitize, I think it's a system that triggers another system So there's a retrieving, you know,
na ndingikiura
there's a route you can retrieve.
na no ike access from another location.
Absolutely. Taro munene wa bũrũri angĩmĩbatara rĩ, full access. Yes.
Ine.
Rĩu twĩ cukuru rĩ, o Collins book ĩyo yetagwo Black Book.
Black Book.
Yes. The Black Book nĩ ũndũ wa andũ for one reason or the other matathiĩ thekori. Nĩ ibuku rĩakoragwo kwa hendi rĩarĩ rĩa grievous crime.
Serious Crimes Unit.
Yes. Nĩ kwarĩ documents cigana ũna cia capture crimes. Nĩ kwarĩ na ĩtagwo small claims. Really small claims here for the example of the prefect's book of noise
makers.
Yes. Those were small claims.
Those are petty crimes.
The petty offenders. Yes. No, the Black Book. The capital
offenses.
Yes.
Mahetia marito.
Yes. No, get the house.
Black Book wine.
Yes. We get your house. It was similar na kwa yoiro kwa DCI.
Eko una kwa yoiro.
Vio. No, you have a criminal record. Depending on the grievousness of your gross misconduct, nyogia kinyi hado ginyo tuke munutageka good conduct.
Actually, it was a very serious thing.
Yes.
Kuingira Black Book wine.
Yes.
To have 3 chances.
Yes.
Wakinyia ya gatatu. You are expelled.
Expelled. With no apology. Nyokwa kana thogu akero mwethereke.
Mwethere thukuru wiki. We cannot have him here.
No, he's a hazard. Or she. And it was even more embarrassing for a girl. Yes.
Ati waheirwo G.
Yes. Of course, girls, most of their mistakes were tethered to clandestine affairs.
Crimes related to emotions and
there are crimes of passion.
Unlike boys.
Yes, who were literally gangsters. Yes. If kuru no waigiraga na muno negetha uigire Black Book ri niria twana na kindu gitagwo suspension.
Sana sana ihitiria gutuma wikirwo Black Book ine no wamba gukanyuthwo suspe wiki ta igiri
na wegatirwo suspension ri ona irugongo ri nyukwa ndabatara ku explain tondu ro haya kai gathaia guku
guku
Neki akete. Au atiriri. Morie. Okamanyo TV.
Waigua morie.
You know you are harboring a criminal.
Kana hiyo na mahetia maria wikite ri.
Yes.
Maitugu ndangihota kumatamuka na kanua.
Yes. Ona ni araconoka. Nuko imagine that in their line. No haumire generation yeke kata.
Ngeka gikota kiu. Temoria.
You see for fees they would say. Ne fees tu hide theta kido. No atiriri. Muthoni ne kiareka huko. No moria nya tiwi oyo.
Moria no ko ne agukuigua.
Ndwira tata guo nawe.
No tige kuina mau ukindite. No urakindira.
Uri urekire wega thukuru ni kuhituka. Ona andu a Jobe matirakuona. Maxi.
Nyoko eno.
Ile tiwe muthaka biyo Mrs Africa. Wewe ni weka marisa wanaume. That was the first entry. You got your suspension. Yetiari o the rafataro gira muhiriga.
Black Book.
It was captured in the Black Book. Yes. They had wero okay now.
Okay na muciari. Ugicoka ndugoke wi wiki. Be accompanied.
Nietha kaundu aka ka recordwo. Nyoke ura wana matumbe ki.
Matumbe mayo.
Ukajira entry number 2. How do you know what Magario Mahoyani Asiagi? Yanamato Managa. Mwanos yatigi theory. G.
Rimwetu. Iru wentere yake riri. Ona muciari ni abagia utuika concern.
Yes. They would actually wonder what kind of mercenary is this? Yes. And some mercenaries, very daring thugs, villains in the school would do a very, very daunting. Magatua wafisi, magadi magataraka dikare me Black Book Queen.
The daredevils.
Yes. They would tamper with
evidence and files.
State records.
Agakonya page.
Na nyoyo kukonya page imwe. Waruta andu tata?
Tatano.
Wagwa CRB wauma na igana.
Wauma na andu king'ori.
No. Todo ifuku riu ritiakorwo na any form of backup ri. It was your word against their memory.
Wakonya page ni uguo.
Yes. No gia na muciari nake urarugama na wauga atiriri. Asa mwarimu tuonie.
Black Book ile ti weno.
Ile ti weno. Itwagurie page ciothe. He handu wona kirisi pini magogo. He handu wona Nikolasi mwesirigeni.
Ugakihonoka.
Giande siwaire mari. Handu mwarimu mwandikite.
Mwarimu akaguria ringi. But she was here. I remember.
Mr. Keigo. Ule kijana, what was the mistake?
Kijana mgani?
Nasema ule alingoa mwalimu meno.
Mbona iko hapa? And you see, an entry in the Black Book would also be captured in the very important document yet called the school living
certificate.
Yes. Ukandikirwa the learner was below average in
character. Criminal. And you know there are some cultured farms that will not employ you because of such as, you know, normally. Kure magorora ginya record iyo ya school living certificate.
Yes.
Man, agikorwo thukuru wahana goguo ri.
Yes.
What about later in life?
If you in innocent years were like this, ere wa menya thi.
No amenya collapse on.
Yes. What dog ya shoki we Black Book ne? O shoki o ma death.
Yours was even worse.
You see we Black Book we ya shoki we o tuke best improved 2 times in a row. Shoki ke orige ka be mine. It would overlook. Yes. No he o ke no to parole. Hale haka iguoke.
Haka iguorido.
No we hale Black Book we na entre igere. Ucoke uringe athi haria wena theci ithatu na ndaya kuondoa
ngijoroneka no kururitie mini ucoketie mini na thi
the minisco
no ukire andu wega batari mekora in the Black Book.
Yes.
No ukira andu mari na very clean records.
Yes. And some we are just lucky.
Na lucky ni waingi.
No some are just lucky. Na mama ku iro mera fani ari yangi. To kwe mundu waru amana ki. Nagori. Yes.
Ihitia ta gubanga mugomo.
Ne kiwe orauga. Kana guthraite ni Anson. Ucina thukuru.
No, that was actually ona ucio ni ungiatumire nginya suspend with the without notice.
Yeah. Or manhandling a teacher.
Ukarugamana na
Ukahura mwarimu. Anetare kwa imwana cia thoma cie nguru. Nena mwiri. Wow, generation ya omemiri. Ni atukutanagia mwarimu. No wako anake mwarimu ni wacereraki.
Aya, Gen Z matingimenya dextrosa.
Super deep.
Turatherio ni ndui.
Juice Cola. Wanyita ndu. Juice Cola.
Riu hau ni anyita.
Juice Cola ne makuhiririe kidogo.
Ni makuhiririe.
No dextrosa.
Dextrosa is 1990s.
And someone with a pack, you know, we used to look like we are sniffing cocaine. Wewe dextrosa ulikuwa unakaa mtu wa narcos. Dextrosa.
Inari jamurangi.
Yes.
Ari jamurangi.
Now I only model. You see what happened with dextrosa? Wekagirwo ruhi.
Kinenwo ruhi.
Ruaketi ruaku. Ari gosunagira na wewe kiatia.
Usundire ho.
Woe unto you if you had a heavy breath.
Ohuhia ta munyi. Nyamu yoboke.
Nyamu yoboke ta kiro. Nakera dextrosa we. Nomenya dextrosa diari raithi.
Acha diari raithi.
You see mundu
ona ti nduka ciothe rugongo cia stokaga nyamu iyo.
Yes.
Ti nduka ciothe.
Nomenya yakoro enyitanite riri tatu omo.
Wonderful.
Kaza utatu atire. Hedo ogiagorie ruri ruraihu weko audit
ofulago
tondu at most we afatie ruri rwatu ruthie tuigana
uthie twiri.
Yes.
Agoro ni tutatu ri nduri wiki.
Yes.
You are like a group of like 4 or 5 children.
No, we get dextrosa inyanya.
No, you must have stolen.
No, man, it's just you are duka-ini mbere. Nigetha ciana iririre.
You see, gwetia ruri rwatu nana ri.
Yes.
Watiga display he na ihoro.
Yes. No, cio mwene nduka ota ninge kwareherwo ki cira
Dextrosa inyanya.
No agutuma
Ni tata.
Tata gware ya dextrosa.
Ihi aumire Nairobi. Ahe mbeca njira ngure dextrosa.
Nĩ ciaku wĩ woike.
Ina mago itu.
Mũkwamba mũkue igĩ. Tarenda cira mũnene. Yes.
Mũgũthia piece meal.
Yes. Dextrosa rĩu amĩtumũrage. It was very much like a narcos affair. Aitĩrĩria guoko. Eka.
No nĩ ari cama tũtaiguĩte rũgongo.
Ĩnĩ kĩũrauga we, you see, iyo nĩ ta particle thĩ, negekĩrwo flavor.
Yes.
Kĩũrauga we. And you see, nĩ ũndũ wa gũkorwo kaũndũ kau nĩ very rare rĩ, ndwete ona kũrĩra mbere ya andũ ndũgeke atĩa?
Ndũkahoywo.
Yes. You would find the nearest thike.
Wĩhithe.
Na mũno nĩ thutha wa andu.
Wa nduka.
Yes.
Ũkegũtha gĩtutho-inĩ.
Yes.
Harĩa gĩtumanĩire wega.
Kabo.
Gaitĩrĩria rũhĩ.
Waigua ta kũrokwo rĩ, ũkamĩakĩria kanua ĩkenda gũkũanda. Ũngĩathimũra rĩmwe nĩ worwo nĩkĩ? Nĩ mũrĩo. Hey, Shama.
Hey, Dextrosa.
Wekĩra kanua.
Na rimwe nĩ wona nĩ mũikarire mũno ũtarĩ wacemania na kĩndũ kĩna cama ũguo.
Yes.
Mũgabanga rĩmwe na mbogi ya ihĩta inya.
Yes.
Mũkerana to tũthomaga kanitha ĩmwe rĩ.
Yes.
Thĩ ndũheagwo sadaka. Kaheo sadaka.
Yes.
Sande tũtikanahothe.
Yes.
Tũcokanĩrĩrie maciringi mau.
Na.
ona twakinyia narĩ kau kamwe tu
o mundu ekirwo ki
tutunye iguru
yes riu mundu wa kugayania ri ekagira mundu kahuba ruhi ino asa
ongererwo kani
na riu uria nake watiga ona iria nyingi ri ni uria yake yatigara ki
karatathi-ini
it was mostly the oldest no uria wakara
na muno niwe mugai
yes dextroso menyo ndu wa mbere you had to it was it had to be an open affair todo pigmentation ya rurimi
rimwe no ameguraga with illicit money
yes
no rukamenya wainuka the evidence is glaring
yes
so see Stacy-oka
and you see Rogori there were not many services where you would see yourself Eo ngethie nduka-inĩ wone harendia icio saluni riu wakoraga kihimwe zako wakiuria atiri
ndioneka
rangi kero ngai
uyire rangi Witu mundu ni atanuka macani unine pigmentation
batigeni
no
you see you have just enjoyed delicacies you utanuke herbs
very bitter herbs macani ni maruru kwaja girini
kwaja riu thina ni riri mundu urathie kuri kurora kana wina rangi ri nake riu ko blackmail akwira no menye no nguga
kanini
kana nguge na ukamenya tondu wa mune nake nagia pigmentation ri ni mwadandura ki
the risk
yes kana dextrosa we dextrosa
Ile ni atu matwe kuhotha
ukigaira andu guana tora magaira giathi kana muoyo it was like the holy Eucharist
dextrosa
Jezi batikimenya dextrosa atikimenya yo no ngamamenyire juice cola
juice cola riu nimekumenya
juice cola you know had a taste of Coca-Cola yes tondu matina kuranya mwiri ngi nao yaringagio ndongi ma juice that was super deep. Now that one is the one I believe was laced.
Miki
ona yaki na mundu wa ina ikuvia kia na wandu acio a Mexico na Colombia
nyamu yari na Pablo
ni aina Pablo Escobar
na mwathagĩra karimino kagima
wega thiu
kanyamu kamo
acio na gwipati tata guoka na baibu na thwiti. You know dextrosa is not a thwiti. It's literally flavoring your saliva and swallowing it. Padi buto da watu ele kari go hose pipe. Oh mai masejie ke
masejie rangi
kido
mwathe cio mai mutungi mugimari
yes
ciana itura igima ni ciauga ni inyuire juice
wa uthoka nyamu mutungi Hizi ni nini hatujakula jamani?
No, we used to labor. Whether kwaja kindu kina shama.
Umanye ithuiri. Ana turiarimia kahua na majani. We have never taken refined tea.
No, we have never.
Yeah.
Grade wanu.
No, from where? Yeah. Kahawa na kahawa kageta ona bawanu. Gweciria okwenda kuruga ikombe igiri wekiraga kunia.
thing was horrible.
Oh, it was lackluster. It was literally like neta makore.
Kira kahua kaigi kanya mukau gacame.
You see, ndugathakira kahua karia wekira nigetha gacame tondu riri aiko kahua gaikombe ithathatu ni wacungaga icungi igiri.
Mare makore ma kahua.
Icungi igiri of residue. Yeah, what do you call the bark of a tree? Tare magoko mambo hua.
Magathio tukeru ni kahua.
Macani meho mekira gudi ngima. Na mureremi ya macani.
That was the lowest quality.
No, horrible. I think those were the residue.
Ne matigari.
Ne mairete. Merio tutia miona.
Ndiare mioneki.
Kwanza kahua kau na nwe ndogia cungire na magego.
Acha kaya muka mundu ndi akira kahua kaingi muno. Kage gacama.
Never mind, it was very cheap. Na yo kaona rurio.
Bagiti rurio.
The only thing that used to come in its original flavor. Ninye mwetagwo Sibabiri kare powder. Bidhari.
Ni matuko manyayo.
No, ni matu bidhari. Ndio meta ngara masala thiko ici. Ndio samye Sibabiri. Na family ciarĩ ndongu nĩ magũraga ka mũkebe.
Arĩa meiguĩte gĩciringi.
Ngene rũrĩo. Rasa she.
Like